Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Osama Aslam. So today I will show you how we can run multiple simulations in ABAQUS with .bat file, batch simulation, without opening ABAQUS. Uh, because sometimes when you are writing a paper where you need multiple simulations, more than 30, 40, for example, let's say in this paper he did 45 simulations and each sample is different. Like he generated different variations. Let's say he changes density, thickness, young modulus, or if you are doing he also changes uh, wind speed and tsunami speed, aerodynamic load. So, for example, you have with different variation, and he is creating variation by LHS, latent hypersampling. So I will show you both how to generate samples with different variations and then how you run simulations. Because if you do 40 simulations manually, that take maybe 4 days or a complete one day. But if you do it automatically, with you need a bat file, your model input file that will be generated once you create your model. And then for for this video, I will just um, I will just uh, run the simulation for 1 second. So here, for example, let's say I will generate variations. First of all, I will generate variations. Yeah, so here, let's say want to, I want to change wind speed and like tsunami speed. I generate 10 samples, or let's say, yeah, 10 samples, okay. 5% variation in wind speed and 3% variation in it automatically generated samples. So this is a code to generate samples written in Python language. So I will check. Okay, yeah, this is see here. I asked him to generate. So every sample will be different. So similarly, for example, this is a subroutine file. If you're using your any complex material loading, it will change the UMax and V. So then the next thing, okay, this is how you generate variations. Then how you run this. There are two methods. First of all, you need this bat file. So what is this actually? This is this one line code give with subroutine.py. So yeah, this is that the subroutine.py code where you will. So for the first method is that easier method is that you just double click on it and it will start running a simulation without opening a background. I will show you. I just double click on it and it started. You will see here it is started for first model variation one, and it will generate ODB file where you can just uh, see it is generating ODB file where you can check your results and like I didn't open Abacus until now. The second method is that, for example, if you don't know this method, then you just go here, run script, and you just click here on it. And if you hit OK, it will also do the same thing because codes are already running. So I will not do, but this is simple. Then it will do like this. First of all, it will create a um, I just did before this video. It will create input file for the first variation model. Then for second variation model for second, I just run here three variation. But for example, you have 40 variation, you can generate 40 samples. I generated 10 samples. Here I generated 10 samples, and then uh, 10 sample, and then I just brought three samples out here to show you for this video. And now the two models are already completed. Now it is running third model. So I will show you, for example, let's see, open this file, variation ODB file. You can directly open from here. See, this is already, I kept step time one for the sake of video. And this is the, what do we say, deformed model. And you can also, for example, let's see, I checked for displacement curve. Force, let's, so see, this is force. And if I want to for displacement, so these are the displacement curve. So in this video, in this way, I didn't open. And then let's say variation 2. Now it is running third model. So in this way, you can run all the simulation without even uh, opening it. So you can all get all the curves or whatever. Yeah, same thing. Stresses, if you want to do the stresses. Yeah, because I think I don't have that. I just wanted to do that, not this one, but views. I just wanted to do this. Yeah, if you select, so these are stresses. You can do whatever you like. Like third job is also already completed also. So let's say I delete this one and I show you how we can. So let's say if I run the script from here, like I don't want to open. So you will see here now it is running submitting job for variation one. So you will see the same thing. Now it is doing this. If you don't want to, like if you don't have that bad file, then you can run script. Then you don't need that bad file. You can run script from here, and then it will uh, it already successfully for one, and it is completing job one. So then similarly, it will repeat the same process. Once the force one is completed, like variation one, then it will do the first variation two. So yeah, the first one is completed now. I think the second one is started. So here you will see second one. So in this one, in this way, you can I just about it because I know already. So this is how if you can save your time, and if you have any question, please let me know.